Change your name on SoundCloud app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your name on SoundCloud fast and easy. So first thing, go to the SoundCloud and then log into your account and go here, click on this library option and then click on your icon right here. After you click on your icon, click on this pencil right here and click pencil again, and now go to the display name option and change it or add anything just from here. And after you finish, click save right here and the name will be changed easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.